I am writing a 50,000 word novel during the month of November, and today is day 2. And honestly, today was actually a better day than yesterday. To start, I didn't have to wake up that early, although I did have to wake up kind of early because I did still work at the coffee shop today. But after leaving that and biking to meet up with a friend, I settled into a cafe and got to writing. And I immediately hit my first roadblock, which is that I started going back and kind of rewriting and adjusting things. I truly feel like I might have written yesterday in like a fugue state because I honestly forgot some of what I wrote yesterday. So partially I was going back and reading to remind myself what happened, but then I just naturally fell into being like, well, let me adjust this, let me adjust that, Once I got back into it though, I actually had a lot of fun today. I finished my first chapter and I started on the second chapter. My character was already kind of thrust out of his comfort world because this book is about a goat that gets turned into a human, but I further got to push him outside of his comfort zone by having him leave where we first find him. Before I fully stopped, I actually went and wrote what exactly happened in the pages that I wrote today, and I also wrote where I was thinking of taking the story next so that tomorrow when I go there, I won't go back and reread to remind myself where I am, I will report back on if this works. We'll see. But I did reach my writing goal for the day and actually went a little bit further than I intended to write. All in all though, today I wrote 2,015 words, bringing my total so far to 3,708 words. Follow along as I continue with this challenge in the month of November, and I will see you here tomorrow.